NYU Shanghai has just been such a great opportunity. I have really grown here.
You've got like endless possibilities to discover, to explore.
I really enjoy this collision of different cultures.
You meet so many people.
Students not only come from China and the US, but also a lot of different countries. And then you come into a classroom and you have a discussion with your classmates where you might have disagreements, but I think those disagreements are where the best things happen, when you can critically think.
The classes are amazing.
I've explored so many different classes and majors here, so I really know what I want to do.
You will be challenged as a student. You will have to persevere, but all the professors here are super understanding.
Beyond classes, there are so many ways for you to get connected with your community.
Cross-cultural exchange, like that's what makes this school special.
You're in a small community in a big city.
Shanghai is such a diverse and vibrant city. This place really has everything you can ever imagine.
It's an incredible experience. There's nothing like it.